Welcome to our channel. Today we have discussed about financial management MCQ of capital budgeting. Let's start. First, mutually exclusive project can be the more accurately ranked as per the A. Internal rate of return method, B. Net present value method, C. Modify internal rate of return method, D. Accounting on average rate of return method. The answer is option B. Net present value method. Second, assumption A. When two or more investment proposals are mutually exclusive ranking, the proposal on basis of IRR and PV and PI method may give the contradiction result. Reason: the contradictory result is the ranking are due to different dimensions relating to scale of investments, cash flow pattern, and project life. Indicated the correct answer. The answer is option B. The first option is correct, but the reason of a necessary condition but not sufficient condition. The answer is option B. Next. Third, assumption A. Weighted average cost of capital should be used as a hurdle rate of expecting or rejecting capital budgeting proposal. The reason are it is because the financial in the proportion specified and accepting project yielding for more than weighted average required to return. The firm is able to increase the market price of its stock. The answer is option B. Both A and R is true because his weighted average cost of capital is used hardly the expecting and reject capital budgeting proposal, and then the market price of its stock is a yield more than weighted average required to return. Next. Fourth, interim cash inflow are the reinvested at the rate of return equal to internal rate of return is a built-in mechanism for the internal rate of return method. The answer is option B. Fifth, in capital budgeting, the term capital reasoning implies that limited funds are available for investment. The answer is option B. 6. Which of the following is not true with the reference to capital budgeting? A. Capital budgeting related to asset replacement decision January 2070. B. Cost of capital is equal to minimum required return. C. Exceeding investment in a project is not treated as sunk cost. D. Timing of cash flow is relevant. The answer is option B. Exiting investment in the project is not rated as sunk cost. There is a wrong. Seven. Which of the following technique is appraisal of investment proposal are based on time value of money? A. Accounting rate of return. B. Internal rate of return. Profitability index method. Earning per share. There will be code given. The answer is option B. Some B code of 2. B and C. Internal rate of return and profitability index method. This will be base of technique. Appraisal investment proposal. 8. Formula for net cash flow of project is net profit after tax plus depreciation. The answer is option. MCQ number 9. Name which of the following is not feature of payback period method. A. It is a simplified method of cost recovery and not profitability. B. It does not consider the time value of money. C. Does not consider the risk associated with the project. D. It is a very difficult to calculate. The answer is option D. It is very difficult to calculate. There is a not future of payback period method. Next, 10. From the following technique of capital budgeting decision indicated the correct combination of discounting technique. Profitability index, second. Next, present value, third, accounting rate of return, fifth, internal rate of return. The answer is code number third. First, profitability indexed, second, net present value, and fifth, internal rate of return. These three technique of capital budgeting decision indicated this will be discounting techniques. Next, 11. Debt financial is a chapter source of finance because time value of money, return, rate of return, tax deductibility interest, forced dividend are not payable to lender. The answer is third, tax deductibility of interest. This will be debt financing source of finance. Next, 12. Which of the following statement is a false? The answer is second. Capital budgeting decisions are reversible nature. This statement is wrong because the capital budgeting decisions are the irreversible nature. Next, which of the following equated the present value of cash outflow and present value of expected cash inflow from a project of? The answer is option second. Internal rate of return is equates the present value of cash outflow and present value expected cash. 14. Profitability index a project is a ratio of present value of cash inflow to present value of cash outflow. The answer is a third. Next, 15. Which one of the following method of capital budgeting assume that cash inflow are reinvested at the project rate of return? The answer is the internal rate of return. The third. 16. A capital budgeting technique which does not require the completion cost of capital for decision making purpose is A. Net present value method, B. Internal rate of method, C. Modify internal rate of return method, D. Payback. The answer is option D. Payback. 17. If two alternative proposals are such that the expectation of one shall exclude the possibility of the expectation of another, then such decision making will lead to A. Mutual exclusive decision, B. Accept rejected decision, C. Contingent decision, D. None of the above. The answer is option A. Mutually exclusive decision. There is a two alternative proposal as such except to shall exclude possibility of such decision making. 18. In case a company consider a discounting factor higher than the cost of capital for arriving at the present value, the present value of cash inflow will be. Answer is option A, less than those computed on the basis of cost capital. 19. The payback technique is especially useful during the time when the value of money is terminate? The answer is option A. 20. While evaluating capital investment proposal, time value of money is used. Which of the following technique? A. Payback method. B. Accounting rate of return. C. Net present value. D. None of this. The answer is option C. Net present value. 21. IRR would be favor project proposal which have heavy cash inflow in the earlier stage of the project. The answer is option A. 22. The reinvestment assumption in the case of IR technique is assumed that cash flow can be reinvested in the project IR. The answer is option A. 23. Multiply IRR obtained when the cash flow reverse their sign during the project. The answer is option B. 24. Depreciation is included as a cost. Which of the following technique on accounting rate of return? The answer is option A. Accounting rate of return. In this cost technique will be include the depreciation. 25. Management is considered as a 1 lakh investment in a project with a 5-year life and no residency value. If the total income from project is except 60,000 and recognition is given to effect of state line depreciation on investment. Find out average rate of return. You will remember the formula of average rate of return. IRR is equal to average annual profit after tax. Profit after tax divide average investment. Average investment and average profit after tax multiplication 100. Average investment is equal to total investment is a 1 lakh divide 2. You will get average investment is a 50,000 and average annual profit after tax is equal to total income from the project expected is a 60,000 and divide project year of life the 5 year. 60,000 divide 5 year you will get 12,000 multiplication 100 you will get the answer is a option B 24%. Assume cash outflow equals 1,20,000 followed by cash inflow is 25,000 per year of 8 year and cost of capital of 11%. What is the net present value? You will remember the net present value method. Cash inflow minus cash outflow. You will get NPV. Let's find First year this will cash inflow is 25,000. Multiplication proportion of 8 years and 11%. Find that base 8 years and 11%. You will see 5.146 multiplication 25,000. You will get cash inflow 26. CF80 PVCI is 25,000. You will multiplication 5.146. You will get 1,28,615, and cash outflow is a 1,20,000 minus. You will get the answer is NPV is 8,653. The answer is option C. You will remember most important proportion how to find 8 year and 11% NUT. Next 27. What is the internal rate of return for the project having cash flow of 40,000 per year, 10 year, and cost of 2,26,009? In this MC you will find the rate of internal return. First, IRR is equal to cost divide cash flow 2,26,009 divide cash flow is a 40,000, outflow is a 40,000. You will get proportion value 5.650225. This proportion value you will find the cost of. Let's show. Your answer is a 5.650. In this present value of annuity you will find the 10 years. So the 10 years, where is a 5.650? You will show the 5.650 is a 12%. So your answer is a 12%, 10 years. In this question his answer is option D, 12%. 28. While evaluating investment, the realize of working capital at the end of the project life should be considered as cash inflow. The answer is option A. 29. Capital raising refer to a situation where funds are restricted and management has a choose from among available alternative investment. The answer is option A. 13. Capital budgeting is done for evaluating long-term investment decision. The answer is option C. 31. Capital budgeting is a part of investment decision. The answer is option A. 32. Capital budgeting deals with a long-term decision. The answer is option A. Next. 33. Project can be accepted based on payback period if it is a less than standard payback period. The answer is option A.